I'm back, and today it is that light needs turned off. Okay, we're good. It is nice outside. It's kind of cool, but I'm in shorts, so yeah, that kind of makes like no sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna be eating breakfast like the usual. Nothing really fantastic about this morning or exciting, but I am getting a fidget spinner either this week or next week. I doubt it's going to be this week because it doesn't come in this week. And now there's really nothing I can tell you guys, just that I am about to have a bowl of cereal, eat, and because my stomach is like dying, and probably maybe watch some YouTube while I wait on my mom to take me to school. So yeah, it's like, look at it, it's so pretty out here. On the camera it probably looks like it's not as pretty, but it's because my camera sucks. I'm not those kids that get like everything they want, because I'm not like a spoiled or anything, but I do have a phone, and yeah, I'm 11, about to be 12 in like 3 or 4 months. I'm not sure. I don't do dates, okay, so yeah. And the sun, I mean, oh, get out of here. You scared the heck out of me. You're not even our dog. I'm not gonna hit this dog, but I kinda want to. That dog's like around here all the time. Get out of here. Oh, my mom left her drink out right here. And then my brother's toys right over here somewhere. Yeah, right there. And wow, that stupid dog. Can't even see it anymore. I hate that dog. That was loud. I hate that dog. So, pretty much the only thing I'm gonna do today is just eat and then watch YouTube, go to school. And at school today, I will probably do like nothing as always. I don't know. My 8th hour, Miss Folks, she's pretty nice. So, if you guys have ever had this kind of cereal right here, it's like Raisin Bran, but with strawberries. It's really good. Yeah, I'm about to fix me a bowl of that, and that's all my day's gonna be. I'm gonna get home, but I'm gonna be at my dad's because today I go to my dad's. I can't vlog much there, that's why I made 2 vlogs. Yes, I made one yesterday and then one today right now. But I don't know if I'll make some at my dad's because my dad don't let me vlogging there. And yeah, that's pretty much that I'm all gonna do. I am this weekend gonna go to the farm out in Gatewood. Get out of here, freaking dog! So annoying. That dog comes around here every freaking day, and my bike's just sitting over there. I'm leaving. Freaking dog. That dog like eats our dog's food and eats our cat food. I will kill you. I have the right to kill you right now. Oh, I'm just gonna go get a gun. Hey, Mom, that dog's back. Yeah? Okay, so my mom said just run him off. Need like a rock or something. Screw it. Oh, wow. Bye. Go! Oh, geez, I'm that scary? Holy crap. Go home! I'm gonna kill this dog. I don't know if you guys can even see him. Really? Really? That was rude. I'm coming over here to run him home, like, get him out of our yard. And before he leaves, he pees in our bush. No, my dog does that. Stupid dog. And I'm freezing, so I'm about to go inside, eat, and then go to school. So I guess this is the end of the video. Let's try to hit 3 likes. If you're new, subscribe and turn bell notifications on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're at 25 subs. Well, whenever I go to my channel, it says that. But I don't know about you guys, because friends, like, tell me they subscribe to me. But it still says the same number, so it's probably like 27. If we can hit 30 subs, I will freaking be doing, like, I don't even know. Okay, I'll try to ride a wheelie for you guys on my bike. Hopefully I don't die. And then I am dead, and then there's no more videos. I do that because I don't really have anything else to do. Can't do a giveaway. I just don't even know. Oh, my nose. So, I guess this is the end. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!